In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Trezor with Exodus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combine the security of Trezor with the user-friendliness of Exodus. This is going to offer you a robust security layer for your cryptocurrencies. So the prerequisites are going to be a Trezor hardware wallet, either a Trezor One or Trezor Model T, the Exodus wallet installed on your computer, and the Trezor Bridge installed on your computer. First, connect your Trezor to your PC. So using the provided USB cable, make sure that the device gets detected by your computer. Unlock it by using your PIN, and now open the Exodus application on your computer. To connect Trezor to Exodus, it should automatically be detected, so you don't have to do any sort of special setup. However, if it is not detected, go to the Exodus settings and look for an option to connect the hardware wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions and you will be able to get your Trezor hardware wallet detected through the Exodus application. Remember to use the provided USB cable to connect Trezor to your PC. Once this is connected, you will be able to view your cryptocurrency balances, send and receive funds directly through Exodus. However, all transactions will require confirmation on your Trezor device. Remember about the security. Your Trezor is going to be the primary security layer, so always protect your device and its seed phrase. Every transaction will require confirmation on your Trezor device, and you should keep both Trezor and Exodus up to date with the latest firmware available. So all that you have to do is open the Exodus application while you have the Trezor hardware wallet connected on your PC. It should get detected and you will be able to connect it as a hardware wallet using Exodus, where you will be able to manage all of your cryptocurrencies through that application. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Trezor with Exodus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.